Hello guys. Well, now I show you one interesting adjustable spanner, adjustable wrench from one of the best adjustable spanners tool market, Irega, Spain. I don't know Irega or Bajo. I have no Bajo, but in my opinion this is very good brand. Irega SWO model 77, made in Spain, alloy steel, $200mm 8-inch. I have on this company this model, and this one is SWO, but this is 99 series. Here you can open to 38mm, and now we are checking what is the measurement here. Very good quality. Yes, the quality is perfect. Oh, super. 42 millimeters. I think it's very good. What is the dimension here? 30 millimeters. Here is 28. 29. Here is 30. I have on Super Ego. This is Spanish brand, but this is made in Taiwan. This is open to 38mm, like here, and the biggest one here is to 50mm. But this is chrome. This is not without chrome. But I like this brand. Here, this is more powerful, more strong, but the size is the same like this one. I think this one and this one are the best sizes. And I have Ghidorah pliers wrench, and in maximum open position here is 39mm, but when I open in this position is 44, but in this position you cannot working normal. Maybe in this position is 40mm. Irega. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.